name's Nick Cox. I'm the Managing Director of Gritting Works. We're a UK-based gritting provider based in the East Anglia region, but we are looking to grow apart from that. When I first started the business in 2019, I'd already worked in the industry for some time and used different types of spreaders, different makes, different models, and I wanted my business to provide a reliable service. So we needed to find reliable equipment, what would get us through those severe weather moments, deal with the cold, was easy to fix, and we could get parts for easily. We first got in contact with Peacocks, distributors for Hilltip in the UK, and they've been great. They've really looked after us, even though we're only a small business. With their support, we've managed to grow the business. So since we purchased our first Hilltip in 2020, we've had really good after-sales contact with everyone from the distributors to Hilltip the manufacturers, and generally it's been an all-round good service. The reliability in Hilltip is excellent. The assistance you get from everyone, having direct contact with engineers, being able to speak to the guys actually building and designing these things, and being able to suggest improvements to them is second to none, and for that reason I'll always be able to recommend them to people within the industry. The fact that we have a gritter which is just over 4 years old and it looks the same as the brand new gritters we buy. They don't show any signs of wear and tear. As long as you treat them right, they work brilliantly and they maintain themselves well. We discovered that going from using other models where there's no real measurement of the salt going out, that actually going into a Hilltip, what does measure the salt, and it's based on the vehicle speed, we're using a lot less salt on the sites. It's better for the environment, it's just better for everyone all round, whilst keeping the customer's sites safe and secure. So that has been ultimately one of the biggest benefits of the Hilltip system, is that measurement of the salt and being able to just get more work done in a night, you know, which eventually that affects our profit margins, and as a business, you know, that is important. It's been great coming into the Hilltip factory. Thank you very much. It's been a lovely day.